This travel trailer is 30 feet long and 11.5 feet tall. It has a gross vehicle weight rating of 8,746 pounds. The exterior features 2 entry doors, a 21-foot electric awning, and a complete auto leveling system. This Rockwood's living room features Millersburg Collection theater seating, full dinette, 40-inch TV, electric fireplace, and storage near the door. Next is the bathroom featuring a full-size shower with a sliding glass door. The bathroom connects to the master bedroom in the rear of the camper. The bedroom features its own exit door, large wardrobe, smart TV, and queen-size bed. The kitchen has tons of storage and features a stainless steel sink, 3-burner stove, over-the-range microwave, and 12-volt refrigerator. Thanks for watching.